This video, I'll be giving you 4 steps to properly clean up your PC, ranging from Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, or any Windows computers. These steps work perfectly okay. Sit back, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you're going to learn more from us on a daily basis. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you uninstall all unused apps on your device, or every app that has been your device for years, for months, that is of no use. Make sure you uninstall them. The next one is that you need to delete all old users profile on your device. If you have people that have accounts linked to your account, or that have accessed your account and you created a profile for them, make sure that you delete those profiles. The third point is that you delete all junk files, all junk folders on your device. And the last but not least is that you need to run what is known as window clean up. That is your disk clean up. You must run it on your device. So let's kickstart this one after the other. The first thing I mentioned is that you need to uninstall all unused apps on your device. Doing this can be very simple. Then right click on the start button, click on uninstall app here. Now wait for this page to come off, then you have access to this place. Now here you can do a lot of things. You can sort by date, you can sort by size, you can sort by name, you can sort by anything. Just make sure that you sort by date. This will help you to see from one order to the from one to the other. And now you can see every apps here are useful. So in case you have any of these apps here that you are not using, all you have to do, guys, is to just uninstall that app. Now you might be thinking, how can I uninstall app from this place? It's very simple. Just come to these 3 dots here, click on it, then you see this uninstall button. Click on it to install that particular apps on your device. This can go a long way by removing the apps from your device, and your device will start performing very well. That is first thing you have to do. The next thing you have to do is to make sure that you delete all older users profile from your device. Now let's go to our Explorer and open it. From here, come to this place and click on PC. Now here is my user, double click on this one. Now here you have users, double click on it. Now you see that I have only one user here. If you have multiple users, then you might not see this default. It's not a problem. Click on this view, then over to this place. Make sure that hidden item is checked. One is checked, you have default. But if you have any other users that is attached to your device here, which you don't recognize or you are not having access to, all you have to do, guys, is to remove that users. Now here is how to do that. Don't just come to this place and click then and remove user from this place. It's very wrong. Proper way to remove user from your PC is very simple. Now let's go to this place, right click on it, then here click on settings here. Once you click on settings on this place, come to this side, click on account. Once you click on account, then scroll down to this place, you should see a button that says other user. Here click on it. So if you have any other user that is here, all you have to do, guys, is to delete that user from this place. Once you're able to delete the user from this place, then you've created a space on your device. By removing that user, and your account or your device will run smoothly, thereby you'll be able to do a very good. Now that I've done all of it, the next thing you have to do now is to be sure that you clean away all junk files from your device, and this can be carried out in various ways. That is why you need to watch this video from here. Carefully watch it, because I will gladly give you everything you need to know and how to carry out from this place. The first thing you have to do is to come to this button here, right click on it and click on run. Now once you click on run, type in temp, then hit the enter button. Here you might have a lot of folders here. All you have to do is to click any one, Ctrl A, then delete button. Once you tap on delete button, then click on it, everything will be deleted from this place, And if there's no delay, don't panic because that particular folder is running right away. That is one way to clean junk file on your device. Then go ahead and right click on it again, click on this run, then here this time around type in %temp percentage and hit the enter button. Then you have this folder here. All you have to do, guys, is to right click any of these, Ctrl A, and delete this button, then check this button and skip all. This is not deleted because these files are open right away on my device. Now that I've done that, there's another one you need to do again to clean options file on device. Then right click on this button again, click on this run, then here type in prefetch, then hit the enter button or click the. So if you have any folder here, make sure you delete the folder on your device. Now come back to this place again. Let's go to the file explorer again, click on it. From here click on this PC. Now click on this button here. So here you click your username, then here you have first, you need to answer what's called app data. If your own is not available here, don't worry, click on this view option, hover your mouse to this place, make sure that this editing button is checked. So if it is checked, you should be able to see the app data file again. Now open the app data file. Once you open it, click on local. Now once you click on local, tap on T from the keyboard to have access to this temp button, then double click here. Now you have this file here. Make sure that you highlight everything and you delete this button. They have no use on your device, they are just accumulating space. Make sure that they are all deleted from this place. I've been doing this while. That's why you see this here. Now the last but not least option here to make sure that you properly clean up your PC of any Windows is very simple, is to run what is called window cleanup. So here, guys, click on this button here. Here type in cleanup disk. This button, this cleanup, click on it. Now make sure that you select the C drive, click on OK. It comes out like this. Now pay attention to this place. Here are some of the things you need to remove here. Make sure that temps internal file is selected, delivery optimization file is selected, then thumbnail and temporary file are selected. Then click on clean this button. Now once you click on it, it brings to this database. Go ahead and click on the cPanel here. Make sure that the cPanel is activated, then click on OK. Now wait for this to properly clean up your computer. Once this is done, I'm very sure that your PC is going to run perfectly okay. Now it comes up like this. Now scroll up again and select recycle bin. If you wish, you may remove recycle bin on your device, like this one. Microsoft Defender apps is no, let me leave that one. Now everything here is okay, then click on OK. Now then click on delete this file. Now wait for this process to fully completed. Once this has been fully completed, with that, guys, you've been able to properly clean up your device and your laptop running on any Windows 10, 11, 8, even Windows 7 will run perfectly and faster than before. So if you enjoyed what I've explained, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.